You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful banking comparisons. All the links to the products and resources mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience. Choosing between Fifth Third Bank and KeyBank requires careful consideration of several factors, including their respective geographic footprints, product offerings, and how effectively they cater to the needs of both individual consumers and businesses. Fifth Third Bank, with its headquarters in Cincinnati, boasts a prominent presence across the Midwest and Southeast. They offer a comprehensive suite of financial products, encompassing checking and savings accounts, credit cards, personal loans, mortgages, and solutions tailored for small businesses. A noteworthy feature is their Momentum banking program, which provides early access to paychecks for those enrolled in direct deposit, along with fee-friendly policies designed to help customers avoid or minimize overdraft charges. This is particularly advantageous for those who prioritize the convenience of mobile banking combined with customer-centric benefits such as extended grace periods for rectifying overdrafts. KeyBank, headquartered in Cleveland, primarily serves the Midwest, Northeast, and portions of the Northwest. One of its distinguishing characteristics is the Key Smart Checking lineup, which presents streamlined checking and savings options, frequently offering straightforward methods to waive monthly fees. Furthermore, KeyBank has developed specialized products for mid-market businesses and individuals seeking a more personalized, relationship-focused banking experience. For example, their KeyBank Relationship Rewards program allows customers to bundle multiple accounts to unlock additional benefits and simplified fee structures. Regarding accessibility, both Fifth Third Bank and KeyBank provide robust mobile apps equipped with features like remote check deposit, bill payment functionality, budgeting tools, and near real-time balance updates. However, it's advisable to verify the availability of local branches if in-person banking services are essential to you, as branch coverage can differ depending on your location. Typically, fees at both banks can be circumvented by maintaining minimum balances or utilizing direct deposit. Where Fifth Third Bank might have an edge is in its direct deposit offerings and its capacity to handle specialized commercial banking requirements in the Southeast and Midwest. Conversely, KeyBank excels in the Northeast and Northwest, emphasizing individualized support for both personal and small business clients. If you reside in a region served by both banks, factors like branch convenience, specific account features, and available promotional offers should guide your final decision. In summary, Fifth Third Bank may be a more attractive option for those seeking innovative everyday banking perks coupled with a robust presence in the Midwest and Southeast. On the other hand, KeyBank could be a better fit if you value a combination of straightforward checking options, relationship-based benefits, and convenient branch access within their service area.